What's up, guys? Welcome back to Outdoors Maryland. We've got a really fun adventure for you now as the car comes down the road. All right, guys, welcome back to Outdoors Maryland. We've got a really fun adventure here today. We're doing a 24-hour challenge in the Savage River State Forest. We're gonna be camping out tonight, and let me show you what we got right now. We're at old campsite 126. We got creeks and ravines on either side of the road here. Hopefully this rain shuts off. But we got the OMD cruiser fully loaded with the kayaks. We're gonna try and go down to the reservoir later. We gotta get everything set up, but you can see we are fully loaded. Tent's gonna go here, picnic table. Shows it, cause look at this fire pit. It has like a perfect griddle. We can like put a little fire underneath there and maybe do some eggs or pancakes or something on there. And we also got a really beautiful creek running through our little base camp here. So before it starts raining again, we're gonna get everything set up. Then I'll come back and give you a tour. All right, guys, we are all set up now. I would like to introduce you to Camp Brookside. OMD Cruiser, the OMD Paddlers. This is home base. It stops raining, it gets a little later in the evening. We're gonna go down to the Savage River Reservoir, catch some fish, go out on the yaks. We got our base tent set up over here, chair, lantern, all our stuff. Sleeping pads, so we're not just on the ground. Rain cover is fully stretched out because we expect rain tonight. It's been raining all day. Moving over here, we're gonna need a fire for dinner and breakfast, and this is perfect because we can make the fire under there. Got this great flat top griddle sort of stone. We're actually gonna look for another bigger piece of shale to just go right across the center. See if we can cook on that. That'll be some sort of fun. I'll have all of our wood and emergency lighter fluid down there. Lights, Red Bull, water. Have our perfectly convenient drinking fountain. Of course, as always, leave no trace set up. So we've got a mountain, a couple creeks over here, mountain, a couple creeks over there. So we're just gonna go out exploring now and see what we find. And for those of you who don't know, the Savage River has one of the densest bear populations in Maryland. So that's for if we want to play wiffle ball in the street. But we got plenty of defenses. Another defense right up there, also for some firewood. So we're prepared for tonight. All right, so right now we're just sort of exploring, just sort of walking down the creek, seeing what we see. We're looking for some thinner pieces of shale that we can put across our entire fire pit to form an even bigger, thinner griddle that'll heat up quicker. But right now we're just walking down. Seen a few crayfish, seen a few minnows. Just on an adventure. Look at that. Caught a tiny little crayfish. Hey, buddy. It's really red. I haven't seen one like him before. Come on, focus. There we go. There's a good view of him. It's really pretty. He was actually in a run, not like a deep pool like you usually find these guys in. So, let him go. Bye-bye, buddy. Seems good away. Here we go. You can definitely see me. There we go. Big dude. There's so many crayfish in this little pool. Whenever we walk down here, I saw like 4, and there's a massive dead one right there. He's trying to pinch me so hard right now. He's a little bigger than the other dude. I think there's actually another dude under the same rock. So we're gonna try and catch a few more. Just every rock and root next to this creek, we're in Big Run Creek now, it's just covered in moss. Like, look at the roots of this cherry tree. Just a mossy network, rocks along the bank there. This is really cool. This is one of the cleanest streams in Maryland. It has a naturally reproducing brook trout population. Brook trout can only live in the cleanest water. So this is one of the purest streams that you can find. All right, guys, look at the beautiful Savage River Reservoir. This is really what makes this place my favorite spot in Maryland. Look at the reflection on the water right there of the mountain. Clouds obscuring the mountain over there. Tons of red spotted newts in the water. We have a brief window here of no rain, and instead of probably doing what we should and making a fire, we're gonna send the kayaks. So it's time to get out on the water.
Yeah.
Look at this, guys. How beautiful is this? The mountain just reflecting right back onto the surface of the flat water. We're just chilling out in the kayaks. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. You can see the dam all the way down there. Caught a few small bass and bluegills. Just sort of jigging up a little piece of a worm right there. A little soft plastic. It's just so pretty. All right, we're back from the lake. We're just starting our fire for the night. It's about 8 o'clock. It's gonna get dark a little earlier underneath the trees and the clouds. But we got our 3 griddle stones that we collected right there. This is about to go up. We just realized that we're gonna need that bundle for tomorrow's breakfast, so we gotta kind of go out and get some wood. Good thing we have the artillery right here. So we'll watch this go up, and we'll cook some dinner.
Smoky fire.
All right, now as we wait to get a nice bed of coals to start cooking with, we've been chopping some firewood that we found out in the forest, and this continues to come in clutch because there's like a perfect lever to saw with here. Like, man, Camp Brookside really has it all. But of course, it's been raining for like ever, so right now we're just drying it out around our fire. So we have some to last us for tomorrow night, or not tomorrow night. We're only staying here tonight. So we have enough to last us tonight and a little bit of tomorrow for breakfast.
Is it dumb that we have fire out of the fire pit? No.
We literally have made a stove. Oh!
What was that?
That was a big pocket of water inside of the wood, pocket of air. Basically, there was a pocket of air in the wood, and then the heat expanded it so quickly that it exploded. The flames are literally just like licking the top of the stone.
I'm gonna just have those 2 pieces.
Yeah,
Right, let's keep this piece out here as a fire, as like the fire.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put 2 more. Oh yeah, that's sizzling.
That is sizzling.
We'll do a little bit on here, see how that looks.
Oh, dude, that's sizzling on contact. That means it's above the boiling point.
And we haven't even gotten full coals under there.
This is gonna be fun.
I'm trying to wait till we have like actual coals.
Mm-hmm. All right, this thing is super hot. We're gonna see. We're gonna put some bratwurst on there.
Is bratwurst?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was Italian.
Here, put it right next to the fire. Yeah. Here, I'm gonna splash some water on there to show that this is hot. Yeah, I'd say that's hot enough.
Let's try cooking these two and see if they actually cook.
Yeah, good call. The ultimate sizzle sizzle. First round of brats is done. Look at that, perfectly cooked through. Michael's finishing his over there.
Done.
Got 3 more on the griddle.
A little bit of seasoning.
Gotta get a little wood char in there, white oak. But man, it's so satisfying to know how we cook these two. So fun. Great night. Oh yeah. No camp out would be complete without s'mores. Cooked on our own little oven right there. All right guys, we're walking out here on the road and we thought because it's cool out and it's been raining a lot, we might find a lot of salamanders, and here's our first one. Oh, there he goes. I don't know what type he is, so when we get back, I'll identify him and throw up what he is on the screen. It's a cute little dude. Just want to take this quick video to show you that with all the lights off, you literally cannot see your hand in front of your face. That's how dark it is out here. Alright guys, so it's about 11 o'clock now. A little earlier night than anticipated, but we're gonna go to bed. We got another big adventure day tomorrow. It just started raining again. It's about 55 degrees. We're really lucky to have that about 4 hours of just beautiful non-rain. Got to go out on the beautiful kayak. We've had our brats and s'mores. Hoping that we don't get a bear tonight. We already saw a fox when we were out walking on the road. It's been a great day. Gonna get a good night's sleep. Tomorrow's gonna be another great day. See you guys there. I think Michael Penafiel and I have found the most beautiful spot in Maryland.